there's like 5 in a scoop. If I take like a bunch for a muffin, there's gonna be like five chocolate chips. Shall we put a bit more? Is it good? I don't know. Shall we put a bit more? Should we put a bit more chocolate chips? What do y'all think? I feel like they're not enough. No more. No more, Mark. No more. I know you're better than me at baking, Mark, so I kind of trust your opinion, to be honest. No more. But there's really not a lot, Mark. That's the size of my muffin, by the way. They're small. I want to put a bit more. Just a bit. I don't have coconut flakes though. Okay, just to say I had some more, but I trust Mark. Yeah, I trust you, Mark. Alright, no more. Too many changed the recipe. But it's not written in the recipe how much to put. What's the enigma? Is it Nathaniel? No, 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 no. Alright, we have our little mixture. Now it's time to put them in the mold. Can never have too many chocolate chips. It can though. It can. Oh, chocolate. Okay, I'm just gonna heat the oven because I absolutely forgot to do it earlier. So let's heat the oven up. Alright, so we're gonna wait a little bit, and after we're gonna put our little muffin in the mold. So let's wait a bit together. I'm gonna put this on this side and we're gonna chat a little bit more together. You cannot put some chocolate chips next to me and tell me to not eat it, you know? I love chocolate chips. What's up? Thank you for the follow, guys. It's dark chocolate, yeah. I prefer dark chocolates, always. I love it dark. It's better. When it's a bit bitter, it's the best. I'm for 11, guys. For 11. Thank you, Edwin, for the rose. Dark chocolate is my favorite. Me too. I really love dark chocolates. I love milk chocolate too, don't get me wrong. But I love it dark. I love it dark. Thank you for tapping the screen, guys. We're super close to 100k like. I want to see everybody keeping tapping. Let's go hit 100k like over here, guys. Also, welcome into everybody who is new. My name is Luna. Nice to meet you. Don't be shy and say hi. I want to get to know each of y'all. So tell me in the chat where you're from and let's get to know each other. Also, please make sure to drop a follow and your daily hurt me so you can join the family. Please join us, guys. Have you had chili dark chocolate? That's good. Chili dark chocolate? What do you mean chili dark chocolates? With some bean and stuff? Like, what? What is there in the dark chocolate chili? Hello, Edwin. Un poquito, amigo. But not a lot. Feeling hot in here. So take off all your clothes. Also, guys, if you like what you see and you want to see a bit more of me, make sure to go check out my IG. I put it in my bio. Make sure to go check out my IG. I'm posting a lot of fun stuff over there, so go check it out. You will like it a lot. What's up, Michael? Okay, guys, are y'all ready for the next battle together, team? I need everybody's support so we can crush this, okay? So let's go for a fight, team. I believe in y'all. Let's go for another battle. We're trying to hit 20k diamonds tonight. And so far, the stream is a bit hard. So I need everybody's help and support, okay? Especially if you love the cooking stream. I feel like I'm repeating myself all the time, but... Thank you, Eden, for the roses. Thank you, Andreas. Thank you for the follow, guys. Thank you for my man for the repost. What's up, Andreas? Thank you for the roses. Alright, team, let's go for another battle. It's the time to fight. Let's fight. Ooh. Let me find somebody to battle with real quick, guys. Hold on, hold on. Let me just find somebody. It's getting harder here. Pick up all your clothes. Let me find somebody to battle with, guys. What's up, Yasmin? How you doing? It's not cookies, Yasmin. It's muffin. We're making muffins tonight, sweetie. No cookies. Cookies was last time though, and they were delicious. They were really good. I gave them to my families for Christmas. It was like a month ago, Yasmin. Because it was for Christmas. So pick up all your clothes. Okay, guys, I'm just trying to find somebody